Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Excuse the look, I've just woken up. It is 9:30 and I've got a week off, so I thought I would do a little day in the life today. Just more of a lazy girl's day, I think it's probably going to be. But yeah, so as I say, I've just woken up, I've just made my breakfast. And I'm also just scanning some receipts on the app. So I'm using the Stow Wards app and the Who You app, I think that's how you say it, which I've mentioned before in my ways to make money video. And so yeah, I'm just quickly scanning all of those receipts. I try and do the receipts every like 2 or 3 days so they don't run out of time, because I know with, I think it's Who You, you only get 7 days, so I don't want to miss out on any. But yeah, let me show you my breakfast because it's actually quite a lot for me, considering normally I'll have a cup of tea and that'll be it. Yeah, I've got quite a lot for breakfast. So I've got my cup of tea, you know, that's a given. I've also got a banana chocolate flakes, yoghurt. These are the Muller dupes that you can get from Lidl. I've also got in here, although it's not going to look very appetising, that is one of the naked blueberry smoothies. I've just got up to this level from one of the big bottles. I don't have too much of that. And then I'm also trying out the Oat Burst instant porridge golden syrup flavour, which you may remember from my recent haul. I mean, it smells amazing. I just haven't brought myself to actually eat it yet, so we'll see if I can turn myself into a porridge person. And yeah, all my receipts are there. Right, here goes. I don't know. It's not as bad as I remember it. Maybe I need a bigger spoon to get rid of it quicker. I think the golden syrup bit definitely helps. I don't know. I mean, it's not horrible that I'm like gagging or anything, but I wouldn't say I'd rush out because I really fancied it. But I will eat it. So, the verdict on the porridge, it was okay. Bit too filling for me. Unless I could like half the pot, I think it would be too much. But I did eat 3/4 of it, and I decided to put the yoghurt back as well. So I just need to finish my naked smoothie thing, and then I'm going to take my cup of tea upstairs and watch a bit of YouTube because I can, and because I think in my watch later I've managed to get the videos down from 105 to 64, so I think that's pretty good going, but I want to keep doing it because I know quite a few of my favourite YouTubers upload today. So yeah, I want to kind of empty that a little bit more. And bearing in mind those 64 videos are just from the last 2 weeks. So I watch a lot of people. But yes, I think that's going to be the plan. Maybe for like an hour or so, just relax in the morning. I might even do a face mask, I don't know, I might do that later. Trace, there's prickles. Do you stick then? Can't go under, you've got to go over it. Come here then. Tricks. Come here. Come here. Up. Yeah, keep going. I can't run, Tricks, I'm out of breath. Come here. Tricks. Obedience at its finest, this is. Tricks. Come here. Up. You're going to do the big one. Come here then. Up. Keep going. There you go. Down you go. So, I have a little confession. It is now a few days later. I had every intention of doing a really productive daily vlog, and just it didn't happen like that. So I ended up being really poorly. I still feel like tired, but yes, I literally just took a few days off just to rest and recuperate. And I'm feeling better than what I was, but yeah, definitely not 100%, but I am cracking on. So I've got my little fur baby with me. She's been by my side the whole time, which I've loved to a large extent until she takes over most of the bed, but it's all part of the fun, isn't it, I guess. So not much is really happening in this vlog. I've ran the broken link checker on my blog, which is painful, but I have managed to get to the end of the list, which if you have a blog or a website and you have to do that yourself, you'll know what a task that is. It took me an hour and 40 minutes to do, but I've done it for a week anyway. You can guarantee someone else will change and I need to do it again. So now I'm just working on SEO, updating posts so that they rank a little bit better, and yeah, I really need to get my DA score back up for my blog. Actually, this is like, anyone that hasn't got a blog is not going to either know what the hell I'm on about, or really care. But basically the DA score of your blog, your website, whatever, it's all to do with your ranking, and the higher your DA score, the better work you can get through it, and the more you can charge people, and various other aspects come into it as well. But yeah, so I'm just going to work on that. So to be honest, there's not really going to be much that I can show you. So I do apologise that this vlog is going to be very, very short, but I will post it anyway because life isn't always perfect and things don't always go to plan, I guess. But thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye bye.